think, Moses?
Ken, this bike runs like a motherfucker. It runs good. It runs good.
It's good, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, we know what we got here. No low ballers, no trades, no BS. No low ballers. I know what I got here. This is a classic 86 CR125. Wait a minute. It's an 85 CR125. It says so right here. Yep. Right here. Look at that. So, yeah, she runs a little bit rough, but let me tell you about the good news is it actually runs and it's all there. The bad news is the engine needs a total rebuild. It's gonna need a new top end, piston, rings. Clutch is good, transmission's good. Bottom end seems to be tight. It's got a decent carb on it, but it's got 50 PSI of compression, which is barely enough for it to run. So the top end's completely smoked. They need new piston rings and go through it. I got a work order on it somewhere here in eval. Back in this era, Johnny O'Mara, Ron Lachine, Mickey Diamond, they used to rip on these 125s. And this is one of the first years of the 125 that really felt like a modern bike. And still today, if you did a frame-up restoration, it would still be an excellent competitive motocross bike. Like I said, it's only got 50 PSI compression, but it does run and shift. We just wanted to show that it does run. Proves the transmission, clutch, ignition, all those systems are good. One of the radiators is leaking. It's going to need a radiator repair. You can buy a set of radiators for 70 bucks, brand new. The exhaust is dented. The front brakes need a complete rebuild, and the fork seals are leaking. The rear shock linkage needs to be rebuilt. A typical good core bike that needs a total restoration. We're selling it as is. Why? You might have, well, I got 150 bikes waiting to get done right now. And we also wanted to test the waters and see, what's the demand for bikes that need restoration versus ones that are fully restored. We know that a frame up restoration is going to be 70 hours labor at 150 bucks an hour. You're going to have a $10,000 work order and several thousand in parts if we do it. And they're typically worth around 10 grand when we're done. But not everybody has 10 grand to buy a bike that, well, they're usually so nice, people that just put them on display. They're like modern art. This one here, you could rebuild the top end, go through the suspension, put a few grand into it, 2,000, 3,000, make it a good rider and race it. You wouldn't be afraid to do it because it's not a garage queen. It's not a trailer queen. The chain is brand new. We did put a new chain on it, a new set of grips. And you can see the seat cover is in good condition. The original fuel tank is good, serviceable condition. The original factory pegs are in decent shape. They're not all bagged out. A lot of the great components on this, if you're gonna restore one, the pipe's dented, that's gonna have to be redone. You probably wanna rebuild your suspension front and rear. But if you're looking for a good core bike or a donor for a restoration, a good core bike to do a frame off or one for parts, this would be an excellent example. We don't part bikes out, and this is way too nice to part out. Everything's there. So we just have 100 plus bikes waiting to be done, and it'll be 6 months before we get to it. So we're going to put it up for sale, see if there's a demand for one that needs a little bit of resto work here. It also has a new Tusk shifter on this side. Brand new shifter, brand new chain, new grips, and I'll show you the frame rails. The frame rails are dented on it too. Just leaning against the house here. You can see the frame rails dented, caved in right there, dented right there. It's got a couple dings over here. Those can be repaired, and if it's a racer, well, a water pump is also leaking. Looks like it has some JB weld on the water pump assembly on the bottom here, so this inner clutch cover should probably be professionally repaired or replaced. So that's about it, guys. I pretty much told it like it is. I know what I got. So, and now you know what I got too. So if you're looking for a good core bike for a frame off and you like the 85 year, this might be the right one for you. Or if you're doing a resto and you need parts, sometimes when you do a frame off on one of these, it's good to have a couple bikes and use the best parts off of both of them. We do that a lot too. I've been doing that since I was 15 years old. Looks like the intake is new on it too. Intake boot, and the carb lines are new. So we did clean the carb and at least get it started and running for you. So now you know what you got. Thanks for watching, and God bless America.